How to add a description or bio to your Tumblr blog. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your blog page. Next, tap the paintbrush or theme appearance icon at the top of the screen. Here you will see the description section. Tap on it. This is where you can write short bio or add details about your blog. Type in your description. This can include text, links, or anything you want visitors to know about you or your blog. Once you are happy with your bio, tap the tick icon at the top left and then tap the save button at the top right corner to apply the changes. Your description will now be visible on your blog page, helping visitors understand what your blog is all about. If you ever want to update your bio, just come back to the same section and edit it anytime. Now you know how to add a description or bio to your Tumblr blog. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.